there was some error, I couldn't complete that. So now I have two set of tables, and from table to table I want to get the answers in sum ifs, count ifs, and average if. So I'll be showing in different ways. So if you add sum if open parenthesis, so the range is this. So I'll be selecting the range on top in the easiest way, comma, criteria is this, comma, and sum range is this. So this is one of the easiest way. So without hassle bustle, you can just select it, and automatically when there is automation, dynamically the data will be changing and the answers will be found. So the same thing for count if and average if. Now I want to show you again how to do sum if with headers. Sum if open parenthesis. The range is if I'm getting from the headers. So you can see when I select till the end only I get all main category. So that time it was let's say last video it was giving some error. Let's see this time how is it going to work. So the criteria is this. So when I'm setting criteria, it is not giving a reference because this is a table. So what I'm getting is at main category because this is also a table. Otherwise I would have got G2. But as it is a table, I'm getting this answer. And again, actually, I'm going to select this an actual amount, close parenthesis. So I got the answer. So last video I was getting an error. So I was not able to find what was the error. So this is with the header. So you can see all main categories always when there is a when you are selecting the header. So again, count if is the easiest one. Count if open parenthesis range. Also, let me get with the header also. So all main category. So as I told in the previous video, if we have the data over here with the pointer is down, we have to select till the end, till the bottom. So wherever this pointer is there, this is a very important pointer. So this is showing where the data is selected. So if you update the data and the pointer is keeps on expanding, so that is the important part in the previous video. Please refer to that also. When I select this, it will get main category, comma, sorry, and I have to close the parenthesis and hit enter. So the count is 3. So ownership on will be 3 times. Okay, now average if is also the same. Average if, for this I will be selecting without header. So as in the beginning I should have completed selected the full columns in the easiest way. So many times we think that should I select the header or should I not select the header. So this is a gray area. Many people get confused in that. So is it the header to be selected or not to select? So I made the video on all purposes. So what is happening if you select a header and what will happen if you don't select the header. So now for average areas I am not going to select the headers, and before that I will be just writing something so that it gets expanded. Intentionally I'm doing that. So now you can see it has expanded over here. If even I can make it 3 also. So automatically blue word, this is the scenario. So it's getting expanded. So now when you write average if open parenthesis, so the range when you select without header, see if you go till the end it's not getting the answer. But when you go to the rock bottom, so this is the rock bottom, you get this in this summary. So now the criteria is this, comma, again I'm going to select the average range. So this is my average range. So this is without header, I'm selecting without header. So this is all, and then going the rock bottom, close parenthesis and everything. So I got the answer. This is the error is not required actually. I think the table is selected from till here. So you can see the table is selected from here till here. So I can remove the table. Now we can, the table is not expanded. So you can remove this. So this is very carefully you have to take when you see the header, because these both are tables. If you I can expand till here also, we get the answer like this. So in tables, automatically the data formulas will be updated. So this is also very important knowledge which you can only do only when you have a cross line. If you do that, it will not work. But when you see this cross, it will take you up. So now it has gone up, but the data is still here. Anyhow, you can just clear it off. And so now you got the answer. So in this video, I showed you how to have table versus table structure tables, and how to select full variables with header and without header and get the answer. So I hope you understand this video, and in future I'm going to show you how to work in VLOOKUPs, match index, index, in with all these type of criterias, where many people fail and get panicked or confused because of selecting the headers or not selecting the headers, and they get wrong answers and they start hating Excel. So we have to take challenges and try to finish it off. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe and share this video so many people around the world can have the knowledge of using the right way. Thank you.